to you. She doesn't seem to care. Lila. Okay, turn the lights on. Let's give this baby some cake so that she
Look
doesn't
at the
have to
nummies.
cry. You want this candle? You want that candle?
Ooh.
You like that candle?
She knew where the frosting was.
Is it yummy?
You like that?
I think we should try it again now she's in a good mood.
Cake? Really? Please don't spit it out.
Oh, he worked really hard on that cake.
Is it delicious?
Just like it.
What do you think?
She said the candle's better.
Aww. But there's so much love baked in it.
It's rainbow, Lila.
She wishes that there'd be less love and more Betty Crocker.
Alright, thanks. You enjoyed that candle. That's delicious.